Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your videos using AVC Labs. This is a video enhancer. I'm just going to drag the video here and it's going to analyze the video file. You're going to then go here to the output setting, select 400% to make it 4K, or you can select the 2K one, so to you. Feature list, you can adjust all of these. Go to video settings. Here you can adjust the brightness, and I'm gonna reset it actually, and the saturation and the contrast of your video. You can even add sharpen to enhance it even more here. And in output settings, you're just going to find your output path, and that's pretty much it really. As you can see, it is more HD with the sharpen and contrast and stuff. And the sharpen, make sure again you select, okay, that is a little bit too much contrast, I think. Oh, that's a little bit too much brighten. Just adjust it like that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.